welcome back to Jon and Lyra's YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, it's only gonna be me because I am back to work and Jonathan is back in England and I am back to the US. So plus, for today's vlog, we're going to do something kakikayan, which is related to hair. So I do get a compliment from my coworkers. They're saying na maayos yung pagkagawa ko ng work hair namin, which is a bun. Like they're saying na maayos yung bun ko, it looks neat, it looks nice. So I was like thinking, why not to make a quick video, because to give you guys a tips, and it's really easy to do it. Literally, you can do this hair bun like in 5 minutes or under 5 minutes. So why not? So bear with me guys, it's my first time doing this type of video. I don't have any idea, and plus, disclaimer, there is no right or wrong thing how to do it. This is my tactic, this is my technique how to do it. So I just want to share it with you guys. Maybe it will help, so hopefully you guys will like it. Okay, let's start. So first, you guys gonna need a hair donut. I think bun donut, yeah, they call this as a bun donut, and then some bobby pins, of course, hair ties, whatever you guys prefer, and some, for me, hairspray, because I do have a lot of baby hair and bawal ang tutsang pag sa work namin. So I mean, di naman sa bawal, but I just want my hair to be neat, you know, it's not that. And of course, a brush. So let's start. First step, bear with me guys, it's my first step. Oh, by the way, I usually do my hair bun really high or low, it depends on my mood, but today gagawin ko yung palagi kong ginagawa, which is the high bun. So ito ang ating first step. Magpo-ponytail tayo. So ponytail. Quick ponytail. Yes. So ponytail. By the way, napansin ko lang na mas madaling mag-hair bun na ganito pag maiksi ang hair mo. Pag mahaba yung hair mo, like I used to have a long hair and it's really hard to do it. Like I prefer to do it when my hair is short, and I do really have a thick hair, which is I'm thankful, but medyo mahirap kasi siya itak. Next step, yung hair donut. You're gonna put it like this, right? And then i-distribute mo siya evenly. Next, goma ulit. Ilagay nyo siya. Yan, tapos i-push nyo para magka-shape. Makikita nyo yung shape. Ayan, that's how it looks like right now. Ayan, so as you guys can see. So, ayan na yung bun. Di pa tayo tapos. Another hair tie. Para neat. So, next. The reason why I have bobby pin, because gusto ko intact yung bun ko. So, another bobby pin. Put it under. Push my bun a little bit. Hairspray. So, marami akong baby hair. As you can see, ito ang katapat niya. Hairspray. that's it. It's the finished product. Sorry, madami ako mag-hairspray. Kasi ayoko ng tuchang. Gusto ko neat. Yan. How it looks like. Put a pin there. It's my personal preference kasi may baby hair ako dyan lumalabas. Ayoko. That's it. Done. Hey guys. So, this is the finished product. Just want to show you guys real quick. I don't know if you can see it. So here you go. This is the finished product. Pasensya na kayo. It's my first time doing this type of video. So medyo baka magulo akong mag-explain, but this is my own way how to do it and it's my tactic. So sana nakatulong. So I just want to show you guys the finished product. So front, ganito siya. Sideways, it's neat. So I like it neat like that. So hope you guys like the video. I just want to share you guys my knowledge about how to do a hair bun with the donuts. So hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching. Thank you for our subscribers. See you to our next YouTube video. Ciao.